Yeah, Val here. I am the founding office manager here at WorkHero. I call the Chicagoland suburbs my home. I've spent my whole life around the trades as a business owner myself. I really understand what it feels like to give it everything you've got. I think that's why WorkHero's mission really hits home for me. I watched my dad jump off the ledge after working for another company for 10 years, and it really changed the trajectory of our family's life. And so I really get it. And I see my father and a lot of the contractors that we work